How was your Easter celebration? I hope you enjoyed it as I enjoyed mine. I enjoyed mine. Oh. Please, if you know deep down your heart you've enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, I beg. Things you should avoid in a new relationship. New underlined. My key point here is new. That's what I'm going to stress on. My first point here is comparing your ex-lovers to your recent boyfriend or girlfriend. Sudden oh, me off. Small issue now. Even Ama is far better. Ama won't do this. Ama won't do that. Kwejo won't do this. Even the time Kojo and I were dating, he doesn't do that. He doesn't do this. But as for you, dear, what is that? He knew Kojo was very good. He knew Ama was very good. So why the breakup? Why did you guys break up? And you came for me. Now why the comparison again? Stop it. If you are in for this, your mind, your soul, everything must be there. Don't be like this, that. No, I beg. Especially when you are in a new relationship, that comparison, need to forget it. Put it aside. Whether he's doing something for you, like when he or she is doing something for you and you don't like, tell the person, go straight, babe, I don't like this, I don't like that. It's better than telling the person, Kwejo won't do this, Abna won't do this. No. If you tell the person that, the person, you are even bringing more anger. You are even worsening the case. That's that. My next point is, be whom you are. Don't pretend to be whom you are not. No, it's not good. I know a friend, like, she was dating this guy and then they broke up. She got a new boyfriend. Like, the boy was cute, handsome, everything. Like, real package. Oh. The way our more boys are wait a full package. The guy was also a full package. I must confess, the boy is handsome. You know what happened? This girl, she's a type who likes outing, then stops. But she pretended. Or any who holy co. I saw on pair. Guy and can say, oh, let's go here. Oh, babe, I don't like those things. Like, I don't like exposing myself to people like that. And so, ni nane and draw or chandra or boa. Just like that. So she's just pretending to do something to please the guy. Later on, so the guy also thought she was this type of person who doesn't like outing. So that's what the guy did. He never mentioned of that again. Never in his life. They were dating for, let's say, 2 months. The guy never told the lady that, let's go out on a date, let's do this. Hey, after the woman, lady was saying, hey, what kind of guy are you? And not even a day you tell me that, oh, babe, let's go and sit here and have fun. Or let's go here and go and take some drink and stuff. Hey, sister. Were you not the same person who told me that you don't like outing, you don't like exposing yourself to people? Nah, after the then they buy. Don't pretend. Tell the person, like, show your real self. This is me. That's how I look. That's my character. Don't hide your true character from the person. Later on, when the person gets to know your true character, it hurts. I won't lie. Like, walai, it hurts. It's annoying when you get to know the true or the real person. Oh, it's like you dating a Satan. All this while you think he's an angel. They say there is a saying that the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. It's true, pa. So don't pretend. Just be whom you are. It's very, very good to show your real self to your partners. My next point here is, don't involve third party in your relationship. Lalai, it's not advisable. Don't involve third party in your relationship. There are some people, hey, it's like you're not behaving maturely, because there are some people, when they have small issue with their partners, they'll go and tell their friends. Today Kwejo did this, I didn't like it. Go and tell him that what he did, I didn't like it. Oh! Today, no, let me use Abna because I'm Abna. Abner did this and I didn't like it. Go and tell Abner that what he did. The next time she repeats that thing again, we are going to break up. Ah, boy, yeah, boy. It's not good. It's not nice. Petty issues, you can handle them yourself. Sit down, communicate to each other, understand each other, try to solve problems. Then small time panel, you tell your friend, and today we had an argument and he's not trying to understand me. Please go and talk to him. Go and talk to her about this. Like, are you guys kakai? People can sit down and analyze certain things and know how to go about it than every day telling Mr. Kwejo to come and solve problems for you. Suddenly I made rough. I was having a friend. Every small thing, she will come and call me. Let's go. My boyfriend did this. Go and talk to him. Oh! But you know the most annoying aspect of that? The day they are enjoying, Dana also like the time things are going on well with them. You hear of it, so the day things are not going well, pet will come and call you. Please don't be doing that third party thing. It's not good. I'm advising. I know you that you are watching me, you have been doing it. The person watching me right now, I know you are fond of doing that. Say jai. Sasu by nenye. Because anytime trouble is there now, they'll come and call you to solve it. But anytime they are enjoying, my friend, they don't know you. They don't know you. You don't even exist in their lives. So why the wahala? Why are you stressing yourself each and every day trying to solve? Wow, can be there. Yours is worse. So my friend, that third party in a relationship is no good. It's that third party thing. It's led to a lot of people's break up in a relationship. Yes, I've heard of a lot, and I've seen a lot. That third party end up snatching your boyfriend. That third party ends up snatching your girlfriend. So please, if you can't solve your own problems, then how are you going to solve your problems in marriage? Relationship crown high. Me. What about marriage? And the day be more than call to. Hey, please. They say charity begins at home. So please, if you know that you are this person, small thing now you are going to report. Small thing I'm going to tell my mom. Small thing I'm going to tell my sister to come and talk to my girlfriend, to come and talk to my boyfriend. If you are fond of doing that from today, put a stop to that from today. I hope you've enjoyed my talk. You've enjoyed this particular topic. Don't be the only person to benefit from this. I said what? Don't be the only person to benefit from this. Tell someone to subscribe and watch. Please share this video. Please share this video. There are a lot of people out there, they don't know about this. We all do these mistakes. We are all fond of doing. If not one crown, two be woman or yeah. I know you that you are watching me. I know that you've been doing. You have mistakes here. So please tell someone to subscribe and watch our video to learn something from it. Don't be stingy with your subscription. Please subscribe and share. And moreover, we need your comments in the comment section. Please. If anything if you're facing any problem and you want us to shoot a video on that, you can please DM us or you put them in the comment section for us to know about it. Please. And we'll have a lot of videos to shoot. Interesting topic, interesting ones. So always keep tuned on Be Nice Show on HORS Media TV. Trust me, you're going to enjoy all our shows. Bye.